I know Honor is one of the best phones out there with the best camera features. So I don't know what else we can add, what value we can add to Honor phone. So basically, one of the things we thought about is audio quality. Okay, so now JBL is proud to say that we have partnered with Honor. Okay. We are honored to partner with Honor. Okay. So now we are giving you one of our latest products, which is JBL Sound Gear Frame. This one. I will try it for you. This is just a simple frame. It has speakers, so you can connect your mobile phones, your Bluetooth mobile phones, and you can listen to music with your phone. And you can make adjustments to your volume. You can forward the music using this, just tapping the side of your frames. So this is one of our latest ones. Actually, we launched this 2 weeks ago. We held an event in Cebu, and we launched this to some of the media who are present here, right? So, and we launched this July 3. On July 3, we got a report that sold out in the market. Okay, this is all sold out. So now you are lucky to have this with your own phones, because we allocated all the stocks. All our stocks to be bundled with Honor phones. So if you're going to buy Honor 200, you will definitely get this JBL Sound Gear frames. So we are happy to have a partnership with Honor, and thank you for this is not the first time we have partnered.
Buti hindi ka lang nagsabi ng date.
We have several partnerships.
Ang date ng MWI. Hindi.
Tama.
Baka makalip ka. Baka makalip ka.
One of the best products of JBL is now bundled with Honor 200. So I hope you will all, patronize and buy Honor 200 and get this special sound gear frames. The price of this frame is already 9,500. I don't know what's the price of our 200. This is 9,500 frames. So it's now only available with Honor. So all the stores are actually shortage of the sound gear frames. So thank you very much for patronizing Honor.
Thanks, Zachary, and thanks to Honor Philippines for this partnership. We really look forward to another strong collaboration with you in our future campaigns. And for the last partnership, I am so excited to announce that this year, Honor Philippines will be one of the major partners of the biggest celebrity gatherings in the country, the GMA Gala 2024.
Wow! Di ba nagko-cover ka ng GMA?
And I think that we will be bringing in the Honor 200 AI portrait camera and the hardware studio.
Kaya naman ako. Kasi ikaw katabi ko entertainment ang bit mo.
And to give you a teaser of this GMA Gala, please watch this video. Vice President for Sport Solutions
honor phone, I'll be able to take such beautiful pictures of that night, and for sure we will share it with all of you on social media. And also our honor ambassadors will be bringing their honor phones, and for sure they will be taking beautiful pictures and sharing them as well. So Joy will share more.
So thank you and congratulations again to the team for the launch of Honor 200. So I am very excited for the partnership. This is already on Saturday. So we are all excited to see the portraits that you will take of us, of our artists, and of all the attendees. So we hope to have more collaborations with you in the future. Yeah.
It's an honor to be with Honor.
Perfect. We're very honored for that.
And of course, before we let you now, we call on the honor executives, Steven and Shan, for the photo op.
And you can already pre-order